Today, we're diving into the realm of memory upgrades, specifically targeting those with DDR2 server systems. Meet the ATEC fully buffered DDR2 server RAM, a powerhouse memory kit designed to revamp your server's performance. With a generous capacity of 32GB spread across 4 8GB modules, this kit boasts compatibility with a range of servers, motherboards, and mainboards. But let's get into the nitty-gritty. Clocking in at 667 MHz, this ECC DDR2 RAM is engineered to handle resource-intensive tasks with ease. Whether you're multitasking between applications or engaging in memory-demanding activities like video editing or gaming, ATEC, a trusted brand in computer memory, ensures top-notch quality and reliability, backed by a lifetime warranty for peace of mind. The installation process is a breeze, and once installed, you'll notice a significant boost in your system's responsiveness and overall performance. Say goodbye to sluggish load times and hello to seamless multitasking. Whether you're a server enthusiast or a professional in need of reliable memory solutions, the ATEC fully buffered DDR2 server RAM delivers on its promise of enhancing your system's capabilities. Upgrade your system with confidence and experience the difference firsthand. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.